Hey everyone, beautiful day again. I've really lucked out here. There's hardly anyone on the walkway, and probably about halfway down I've come across about 3 people, and they're all really chatty, which is great. Had some good yarns about history, the locals. There's a horse trek that just came past me, which apparently is quite popular. I might give that a go. That'll be funny. I've never been on a horse before. Not a lot of boats on the lake, not a huge lake. Heaps of birds, which is really cool. A couple of them I don't even know what they are. I'll have to have a look when I get back. But just really refreshing to be able to see all the bird life. And a giant swan. Giant swan. Had to take evasive action, had a go at me. I was looking after its young ones, so I'm going to have to get back around that when I go around again. A lot of tourists on the track too, which is great to see the tourists back. Some sort of amphibious bus truck which just drove straight off the road into the water and took a whole lot of tourists around. That was interesting. Easy walk, probably about 45 minutes to walk around. Pretty flat the whole way. You're going through the walkways. It's almost like a marshland on the edge of the lake, and then you come out to a gravel path, and if I keep going from here it's probably another 20 minutes. So I'd say it's all up about 45 to an hour, depending on how long you take, how quick you are. This is where I'm seated right now. Pretty good spot. I'm going to jump on the ski shortly and just have a ride around the lake, see what that's like. I'd like to get past that swan, see how we go. So you can see it's quite a flat path on the gravel part. Easy walk. It's not going to push your fitness too much, and you can just take your time. Be a really good walk to do first thing in the morning. It's just amazing. I've grown up only about an hour away from all these lakes, but I haven't been to a lot of them. So it's been really good just checking them all out. It's only really an hour away from where I live. And if you haven't been over here, got on the water or done a lot of the hikes around, I'd recommend you do it. Really good. Time for a sneaky protein bar. Coming up in the giant swan. Further away than it was last time, so I think I'm safe. It's got some little young ones there. He's looking at me. I think we're alright. He was really close and had a swing at me last time, but he's a bit further away. Doesn't do him justice. I say it's a him, I don't know. Maybe it's a mum. That's a little bird watching hut. You can sit in there and watch birds. Yeah. So there you go. I recognise the duck. The pied stilt was a new one. I think I need to add giant swans on there. Alright, now I'm at the ramp all ready to go. So I'm going to take the RX out for a bit of a burn. Let's go and see what it's like. Not a huge lake, but heaps of fun to jet across. The northern side's really pretty, lots of bush, as you can see behind me. Gee, it doesn't take long to scoot across, particularly when you put the hammer down. Great time, just awesome fun. There's only about 2 other boats on the water today, so there's someone cruising around on a biscuit. Again, I can't believe I didn't do these things when I was younger. Highly recommend coming along. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vid.